Okay, so I'm here with my friend Gareth, who's playing this beautiful instrument, the bassoon, and of course I'm the clarinetist for the octet. My name's Perry, Gareth, and we've got two tunes that we'd like the audiences to listen out for. My favourite is the clarinet tune in the second movement of the Schubert. So that for me, that's my favourite, that's what I'm looking forward to. Gareth, are you going to, because you're in the Metcalf, aren't you? You've got,
I play the tune for Begelio Gwyneth Gwyn. Cheers.
Felly, dyn ni'n gobeithio byddwch chi'n ymuno a Gareth ymuno. I hope you'll join Gareth and myself to hear these wonderful tunes.